Okay, so right now I will teach you how to connect your Twitter account to Journalist AI. So every time an article is published to your website, it is also shared on your Twitter account. So to do this, we come here to the social media tab and we will click here on new social media, right? After this, let's give it a random name. In this case, it can be Twitter, okay? And on the type of social media, we will select the Twitter one, okay? So after choosing it, we will have to connect it with our X account, X Twitter, and we will click here, right? And it will take us to this authorization page where we will authorize the app, okay? And after that, your Twitter account is already connected to Journalist AI, right? So what you need to do now is choose which integration will be syndicated with this Twitter account. And this means like what website will be connected to this syndication. In this case, let me choose a random this example where in this case I want the WordPress integration. So every time I publish an article to this WordPress website, it is also shared on my Twitter account, all right? And finally, we just need to set up the share frequency limit. And this means, imagine you want to publish 100 articles to your WordPress website, right? You might not want to have 100 shares on your Twitter account, right? So we can set this limit. And in this case, we have 3 hours, 6 hours every day or every week. So if we choose every 3 hours, one article will be shared on your Twitter account every 6 hours as long as it's published on WordPress. So yeah, this is how you connect your Twitter account to Journalist AI and set up this syndication. I will set it for every day. So right now, every time I publish an article to my WordPress integration, right, I will have one share a day on my Twitter account. And yeah, hope it was helpful. We create the social media and it's now connected.